Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to set up a card in Apple Wallet. To start, simply open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll find a small plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. Tap that to begin adding a new card. Then, select the option for debit or credit card to proceed. This straightforward first step gets you ready to securely add your preferred payment method to your digital wallet. Once you've selected to add a card, you have two main options for inputting its details. The quickest way is to position your physical card within the camera frame on your iPhone. It will automatically scan the card number. If that doesn't work, or if you prefer, you can tap Enter Card Details manually and type in the card number, its expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back. After entering your card details, your bank or card issuer will need to verify it. This is a crucial security step. Often, you'll receive a one-time verification code via text message or email to the contact information associated with your account. In some cases, your bank might ask you to complete the verification process directly through their official mobile application. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize this step. With your card successfully added and verified, you're ready to make secure payments using Apple Pay. To use your default card, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. You'll then authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Finally, hold the top of your iPhone near a contactless payment reader until you see a done confirmation on your screen, indicating a successful transaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.